This evening you will die.
You can create any kind of video and put yourself in any scene, just like this unreal scene I am in.
You can live the life of your dream, and anyone can do this. Excuse me, 1 minute. Woohoo! This is amazing.
Now the real me is going to show you how he created the videos.
Alright, welcome to this tutorial. I'm sure you all saw the video we just made using some tools, some AI tools. So I'll be sharing with you the process I used in creating that video. Now the first thing we want to do is get our source image on our system. Probably, I don't know the device you are using, I don't know. I'm teaching with a system. So I have my source image as a picture. That is the picture I want to use that has my physical qualities. And this picture must at least be very clear to an extent, at least to show your face. You understand? That when you are taking your physical qualities to the AI machine, the AI machine can always understand how your facial construct looks like. Oh, so now we want to look for the source image we want to use. I'm going to look for a picture of very dark man online. I'm going to look for a picture of very dark man online right now. So I'm going to download this picture. I'm going to download this picture right about now. I think I don't like this. Let me download this instead, because this one has some physical quality. Alright, so we have the picture in our system. Now we want to go to Whisk AI Lab. I'm going to open a new Google so that we can understand how I enter Whisk AI Lab, Google FS Tools, Whisk. Now, Whisk AI, what Whisk AI does majorly is that it analyzes image and gives you a prompt that can describe that image for you. So once we are in Whisk AI, Whisk AI is still loading. Alright, so now we are in Whisk AI. Now I want to click on Enter Tool. Okay, since now we are in the Whisk Experiment Lab, we want to come over here and click on Subjects. We want to come over here and click on Upload Image. Now we have subject, we have scene, we have style. We are not using this tool, we are using this because we need to get the physical quality of the subject. That is the person in that image. So we are clicking on Subject. We're going to upload the image now. Now this is the image of. Now it's going to analyze the image. It's going to analyze the image and give us the prompt for the image. Now, when you come over here, you can get the prompt for this image. Now you can see a medium resolution studio portrait features a muscular man of African descent, possibly in his 20s or 30s. Blah 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 blah. So we have a shirtless, showcasing a very defined. So it has given us the prompts that defines this image. Now we want to click on copy. Now we have that prompt. So I created the master prompts that would bypass all the balu of making this thing done. So there is a master prompt I'll be sharing with you at the end of this video or inside this video. Make sure that you stick to it and don't skip any part of this video. Now I'm going to paste the master prompt here. So whenever I want to do something like this, I use this master prompt so that it can reference an image and give me that kind of image. So since we have that now, I can now go back to, since I copied that, and it has deleted the one I copied before. I want to go back to Whisk and come over here and copy this thing again. I've copied the prompt back. So I will come over to ChatGPT back. And I'm going to come over to ChatGPT back and paste. So once I paste this, the master prompt will help me generate prompt I need to get this kind of. Now from this, use the attached image as a reference. That's what we do. Our prompt. As a reference, like this. So I want to click on copy. I want to copy this. Once I copy this, then I can now move to Nano Banana, Google Nano Banana. So click on get started. Now I'm going to generate this on Google Nano Banana, and after there's another way we can use Nano Banana that I'm telling us. Now I want to upload my image, probably my picture of the picture you want to use now. That picture should have a clear. So this is my picture. Showing my face. The picture is showing my face as visible. The picture is showing my face visible enough. So I want to copy the prompt I collected from ChatGPT. And I want to click on run. So we are going to wait for a while the image generator generates the image. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you are following this. Subscribe on this YouTube channel, please and please. So while it's generating, there's another tool that we can use. Want to type LM Arena. Type it on Google. So the first link that appears. It's also a free tool. You can use Nano Banana through this tool. Now this LM Arena gives you a battleground where it gives you two options. Why Nano Banana from Google VEO just one? It's I think this LM Arena uses two tools and it compares. So it's like a battle. So you choose which works for you. So I will click on this so that it can generate. Now it's generating one assistant A and assistant B. So you can choose from each and every one of them. So let's go back to Google AI Studio to see our image. What was generated. Now you can see it has generated this image for us. It actually did not make me naked like I wanted, but it's giving me aha. Now you can see this one has given us two options. Aha. Now I think LM Arena does it better. It wins. I think LM Arena won Google AI Studio on this. Sometimes Google AI Studio mess up, but you can see what LM Arena did for us. So you can use any of these to get your images. Every one of them is free. So you can see I have this. It's looking so much like me. Yes, it's looking so much like me. So I want to download this image now. So I will download this image. Alright, so since we have generated the image now, we want to go ahead to Google VEO 3 now to make this image come to life. Yes, we want to go to Google VEO 3. And I'm sure most of us know how to do this. If you don't know how to do it, I'll be dropping a video. Then from here I can make my image come to life. 3 is Google's tool for doing something like this. So I want to click on frames to video. I want to upload the image I just generated. I want to change this to portrait. Then go up and save. So I don't want to make this video long. You can apply this. Process to create videos as the one you saw when you click. Now you want to prompt the image to come to life. I want this. So I just prompted. I want this person happy as it says with joy in pigeon. I'm going to do photo studio for birthday shoot. Then the camera, flash. My head is not set to that now. Just like this. Alright, so let's wait for Google VEO 3 to generate this. Alright, so we have our image here. Let us play what we have. Probably our image is talking.
Now Mumu they go photo studio for birthday shoots.
So you can actually repeat this process to create videos as this. So comment master prompts in the comment section of this YouTube video, and I will send you the prompt so that you can create videos such as this. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You must subscribe before you send me a message, unless I will not answer you. Subscribe before you send comment on the comment section.